Hello everybody, my name is Mr. Rodriguez and I teach a course here at BMCC, and today we will be discussing problem number 22. If you have any further questions or if you would like to see other examples, you can go to www.helpyourmath.com. So the question here says the sum of three consecutive even integers is negative 108, and they want you to find the numbers. So there are three numbers in a row that are even and they add to negative 108. So let's call the first number A. Now the next number is going to be A plus 2, because the difference between one even integer and another even integer is 2. For example, the difference between 6 and 8, these are two consecutive even integers, is 2. And then, so once that's one integer, this is the next integer, right, even integer right after it. And then if we wanted to find the third even integer, we would have to add 2 more to this one, which gives you A plus 4. For example, if the three even integers are 6, 8, and 10, this would be your A, this would be your A plus 2, and this would be your A plus 4. And so then we're adding them. So this is what I did here. I added A plus 2, and A plus 4. We don't know what the original first even integer is, but we know that their sum is negative 108. So now what I would like to do is I would like to combine like terms. So I'm going to rewrite my A. I'm going to rewrite my plus, and since there's nothing really in front of this parentheses, I'm just adding, I can remove that parentheses, and I can remove this parentheses too, and the sum is going to be negative 108. So now I'd like to combine my letters, my variables. I have an A here, an A here, and an A here, and together I get 3A, and then I have a 2 and a 4, and together I get 6. And then I would have to subtract 6 from both sides. So then I have 3A equals negative. When you're adding two negative numbers, you just add the numbers and keep the sign. So it's negative 114. And then we're going to divide by 3. We have A equals, a negative divided by a positive is negative. And if I wanted to do 114 divided by 3, if I do short division, 3 into 11 is 3, with a 2 left over, and 3 into 24 is 8. So we know 8, our A is negative 38. So we've just found our A. Now we need to find the other two integers. So A is negative 38, and now we want A plus 2, which is the second integer, even integer. So that's negative 38 plus 2, which is equal to negative 36. And then we want our last even integer, which is A plus 4, which is negative 38 plus 4, which is equal to negative 34. So now we have our three integers, which are negative 38, negative 36, and negative 34. And if we look over our work, it makes perfect sense, because these are consecutive even integers. Even though they're negative, they're still even because they're divisible by 2. So these are even integers, and they're consecutive even integers. That's it.